Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shehnaz ji. Thank you, Baba, for the invitation. And distinguished guests, MPP, community leaders, and everyone. My name is Qaiser Dar, the Director of the Labour Party Canada for the province of Ontario. And I'm incredibly honored to be here, and I tell you why. The women's empowerment and talking about the Women International, a day for celebrating women's success. We talk about centuries of struggle the women has against discrimination, oppression, and inequality. And they fought for it, fought for everything, for right to vote, women's right to education, women's right to own a property. Even that was a big struggle. But they have broken the barriers and shattered the stereotypes and made so much success. You know, in 2016, when Prime Minister announced first gender balanced cabinet, that allowed so many strong, powerful, intelligent women to showcase their leadership. The Christian Freeman, Melanie Jolie, Hamilton's own, Howard is here, Representative Howard is here as well. So these strong women taught us one thing, that when they're successful, then they should get success. We also, talk about starting a change from their own home. Talking about Mississauga, we have very strong, Hazel McKillian was a wonderful example. Mayor Bonnie Crombie is a wonderful example. Internationally, we have Jacinda Ardern. We have Indira Gandhi from India. Benazir Bhutto from Pakistan. These are the very few women who changed the landscape of the world, who taught us that they are absolutely equal partner with men. So with all this successful women, I tell you, it seemed like we've done a lot of work. However, even today, in a country like Canada, we have seen during pandemic, the women are disproportionately affected by the so many issues we have. For example, the equal pay is still a big issue. Having discrimination at workplace is still a big issue. I can tell you there are so many parts of the world where women still don't have adequate education or health facilities. So there's a lot to do. As Malik rightfully said, it's going to start from our homes. It starts from the cultural shift. We men, as a father, as a brother, as a husband, and as other relationships, as responsibility to help support every woman and girl to help them to achieve their full potential. And the change will start from each and everyone's home. So with that, I'd like to thank you, both of MCs, Shehnaz and WhatsApp, to arrange all these things. I think symbolically, International Women's Day is a wonderful reminder that we have a lot of work to do. Although we come so far, there's still a lot of work to do. So with that, thank you very much, and have a rest of the evening.